This song is about a road I grew up walking down, and I still enjoy going there from time to time when I get the chance. In the morning when the air is cold, I like to go out walking down the road where the sun and the sky reach above the pines, and the old weeping willow is bent down crying. The empty open fields look so wide, far and clear. Red-winged blackbird on the high road line, singing a sweet honey tune to pass the time as the grass and the beach wave in the breeze. The humming of cicadas ringing through the trees, it echoes all around and soaks into the ground. And I'm home, yes I'm home. In the evening when the moonlight gleams, I like to listen to the murmur of those streams, where the air sits crisp in the stillness of the night, and the chiming of the crickets rings so clear and bright, the beauty of the stars in the endless azure sky. And I'm home, yes I'm home. In the morning when the air is cold, I like to go out walking down the road where the sun and the sky reach above the pines, and the old weeping willow is laid down crying.